Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making some chocolate bars using white chocolate, and we are also going to fill them with some white chocolate ganache. I have a video tutorial on how to make the white chocolate ganache you can check at the end of this video and also down in the description box. For our first step, we're going to be using some white chocolate and we're going to fill our mold. A recipe note, you don't have to use tempered chocolate to follow my tutorial today. So you fill all of your cavities, and then I'm using a little offset spatula just to make sure that all of the white chocolate is completely right up the sides, right to the top of the mold. Tap your mold to release air bubbles from the chocolate, and then scrape off the excess from the top of the mold. Invert your mold, place it on your silicone mat, and leave it there for a few hours until the chocolate has completely set up. For our next step, we take our white chocolate ganache, put it into a piping bag, and now we're going to fill our cavities. An important note, when you are filling the cavities, make sure that you don't put too much chocolate because we are going to be adding more chocolate at the end to close the bottom of the chocolates. I'm just evening this out with the end of a paintbrush, and then if you need a little bit more in some of them, just add a little bit more, but not too much. To close the chocolates up, as our final step, we will now fill the bottom of the chocolate mold with regular chocolate, and that is our final step. Give your mold another tap. That will settle all of the chocolate really nicely, and then take a large spatula and just clean off the top of the mold, which will eventually become the bottom of our chocolates. Let your chocolates sit for a few hours to make sure that they are completely set, and then you can place them in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and this will help with the unmolding process. And to finish off our video tutorial, let's cut into it. You can see the nice crisp outside shell and also the nice soft chocolate ganache in the middle. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And remember, every video that you see on my YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.